Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have a super fun, low impact cardio workout. All right, we're gonna get that heart rate up. We're gonna burn lots of calories, and most of all, have fun. So let's get into it. So we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, proper form, all that good stuff, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through the routine. Starting with our first exercise, we have an inside foot tap. Now I know you've seen this in other of our videos if you've been here with us, where we have our hands up to the side and we tap the opposite foot, all right? But because this is cardio, we wanna kind of move it up a notch, all right? We're gonna do a little bounce. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so put a little bounce into it, a little jump into it, really move fast as long as you have good form. And then if the bounce is too much, then go ahead and stick to the original, all right? Just go ahead and tap that inside of the foot using your core muscles to stabilize you and bring your foot up. Alrighty? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath.
30 seconds, counting down.
Oh, thanks Siri. And begin. All right, so remember we're doing like a nice little bounce. We're kind of picking up the pace, getting our heart rate up, all right? And you could still have it, your feet, secure and just bring it up and like have a nice little bounce. I'm kind of lifting my feet more and doing an extra bounce in between, but you can just boom, boom, and kind of squat a little bit more. Okay, so different ways that you can do this. Find which one feels best for you, more comfortable, also more fun. The more fun you have in a workout, the more likely you're gonna do it, all right? So 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good, big breath. Moving on to our second exercise, we have a reach and tap. Also, another favorite I do in my other exercise videos, but we're doing the cardio version. So, all right, we reach overhead, same foot, goes out to the side, tap, nice straight line here, all right? And then we switch. But instead of like this slow one we do, we're gonna boom, boom, boom. Put a little more oomph into it, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock, big breath. Very good, and let's get it. All right, so remember speeding it up, putting a little bit more bounce into it, having fun. But again, if that's not for you today, go ahead and do the regular one with a little bit more stability, less moving around, but still great for the body, all right? If not, woo, go ahead and pretend like you're in a jazz video. Awesome job, guys. Breathe. Tight core, all right? Very good, straight back, bend the knees. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have a scoop and bounce. I want you to bring your feet a little bit closer together, not touching, a little bit closer, like a narrow position. All right, and then we're gonna bounce, and as we bounce, we're gonna scoop to the side, all right? Scoop, other side, scoop, scoop. All right, you can put your hands together. If that makes it better or easier for you, actually put your hands in a scooping motion, have them separated. All right, you're really gonna feel this in your core. Make sure you're bouncing, keeping your back straight. Alrighty, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath. And let's scoop and bounce. Let's go. Very good. This is a new little move that I came across that I love. I've been putting it in some of our videos because it's just so much fun. And geez, I really feel it in my core, my legs. So I hope you are too. Remember to move with intention. Very good. You can slow it down, doesn't have to be fast. Very good. Breathing. Make sure you're twisting, all right? So really make sure you're twisting to the side. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have marching jacks. So instead of regular jumping jacks where we jump, we're gonna be doing marching jacks. So hands come up, knee comes up, high knee, down and up. All right, and if you even wanna have a little fun and bounce with this one, you can do that as well. If not, go ahead, keep it like this and have fun. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath. starting to get out of breath. I feel that heart rate, feel a little sweat. All right, our fun cardio, ending it with some marching jacks, set 1. Let's get it. All right, you can also start, like this, a little bit slower, a little bit more in place. And then once you get the rhythm, if you're really feeling it, then you can kind of put your bounce into it. If not, go ahead. Stay like this, strong core, straight back, using that lower belly to bring your knee up, very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Woo! There we have it. Set 1 of our fun and low impact cardio. Go ahead, take a second, catch your breath, grab some water, stretch, center yourself, and then we're gonna crush set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it. We just go straight through the routine. We have our inside foot taps, then we have our reach and tap, our scoop and bounce, all right, and then we have our marching jacks. All right, keep up the energy, remember to breathe. Very important, proper posture, and have fun, all right? Starting with our inside foot tap, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good, big breath. Moving on to reach and tap, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Big breath. Scoop and bounce. Big breath, let's go. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Ending it strong with some marching jacks. And begin. And 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Very good. Awesome job. 2 sets. Done, dusted. Woo! Go catch your breath, grab some water, and we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, 3rd set, you got this. Let's keep up the energy, starting with our inside foot tap. Big breath. 30 seconds, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Moving on to reach and tap. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Scoop and bounce. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Ending it strong with some marching jacks, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Shake it out. Very good. Alrighty, that was it. Awesome job. 3 sets of your fun, low impact cardio workout. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And then don't forget to check out our channel. Like, subscribe, show us some love, and I hope to see you on the next one.